Chapter 1 exercise question number 1.2, in which it is said the electrostatic force on a small sphere of a charge 4.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. So two charges have been given and the force exerted due to those two charges has been given. So now we have to find out what is the distance between the two spheres. And second thing is what is the force on the second sphere due to the first one. So let us find out the first one, A, what is the distance between them. So here also we will be using the Coulombian law. So Coulombian force Fe equals to K Q1 Q2 by R square, and here Fe has been given F12 and we have to find out the R. So R square equals to K Q1 Q2 by F12. Placing the values we get something like this, 9 into 10 raised to 9. Then Q1 is 0.4 microcoulomb, so that means in coulomb it will be 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 6. Similarly, the second charge will be minus 0.8 into 10 raised to minus 6 and F12 is 0.2 Newton. So when you calculate this, you will get answer like this, 14.4 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now we want to find out R. So before taking the square root of this thing, we have to make the power of 10 as multiple of 2. So rearranging this thing would seem like this, 144 into 10 raised to minus 4. So now taking square root, R will be 12 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now the second question, what would be the force on second due to the first one, right? So we know that F12 equals to F21 in magnitude, and if you see it vectorially, then only it will be opposite in direction, right? So magnitude wise both the forces would be same. So you call it F12 or F21, it will be equals to 0.2 Newton only in this case. So this is the first answer and this would be the second answer.